Hi guys, in today's video I will show you my attachment for 3-line rifle. Enjoy. So basically, this attachment can one-shot an enemy through any of their body part, even on the leg. It's basically like HDR but a little bit more faster when you're ADSing, and pretty much it's better. Is ADR, HDR if you want to compare it. Sorry, I don't have it downloaded yet. I just reinstalled the game. Here is the build. The ADSing on HDR is pretty slow compared to the new sniper, which is the 3-line rifle. It's pretty good, to be honest. If you ask me, I'd prefer this way better than the HDR because, well, it's just faster and it's just basically more fitting for aggressive players or passive players. I mean, you could use HDR if you want to, but if you want to use the 3-line rifle, the new sniper, you want to get camos with it, like the gold one or the diamond one, faster, without getting a hit mark, try this loadout. You first need a 20 round mags, and this barrel, I don't know how to pronounce that, but gives a body part damage multiplier. It's basically good. This gun is basically like Tundra because of the attachment giving bullet speed. It's super fast. Even without attachment, it's still faster than DLQ, I think. And that's basically all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Love y'all.